Prosecutor-initiated sentence adjustment is a new law in Minnesota. We refer to it in Hennepin County as PISA, Prosecutor-Initiated Sentence Adjustment. This law allows prosecutors to go before the court and ask that an individual's sentence be adjusted. And the law states that the adjustment can only be downward. It cannot be increased. In Hennepin County, we've created a process for PISA. We are prioritizing people who have served more than 3 years in custody, who will not be released until at least 2027, and who have no other open cases, and reviewing these applications holistically. We're going to be looking at efforts at rehabilitation, any plans for reentry. What has the individual done to show that is in the interest of justice and public safety for them to potentially have their sentence adjusted? We are also going to be reaching out to victims or victims' families in these cases, getting their input on the petition. The application is available here on our website.